Welcome back, guys. Look, we have these cool, colorful, awesome ramps. And look who's joining us. It's the Paw Patrol gang. Hey guys, which ramp do you want to try first?
Let's try the one on the right.
Alright, Ryder wants to try this one first. Look at how colorful. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ramps. Let's check out the colors. This one's purple, like Everest. The yellow one like Rubble. Red like Marshall. Green one like Rocky. And blue like Chase. Let's bring in the cars. Orange. Blue. Green. Red. Yellow. Purple. First up is the blue car. Oops. Yellow. Oh no, I'm sorry, Ryder. Let's move you out of the way, Ryder. You can stand right here. Purple. Green. Red. Orange. Hey guys, you want to try a few marbles? We have some here. Look, it's blue marbles. Are you ready, Chase? Let's try these blue marbles. Oh no, that didn't work out so well. Now let's try the second ramp. This one has 8 levels. Here we go. Now it's the black car's turn. How about we try all these cars at once? How about we try some rainbow marbles? Our last one is this ball pounding ramp, and we're gonna use this hammer. We have the colors green, red, yellow, blue. Let's begin with the blue ball. Yellow, red, green. Hey, Sky has an idea. She wants to try her big marbles. Here they are. Okay guys, that's it for today. We had so much fun. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.